Mommy, what's this? Mommy, what's this?
Okay.
That's how I do it.
Okay, let's go see. What are we gonna go do, Eli?
Let's go see.
Okay, let's go see.
Follow me.
I'm following you. What? What is it, Eli?
What is it?
It's presents?
Yeah.
Does that mean Santa came?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Did Santa really came?
Yeah.
Let's see, did he eat your cookies?
Look.
Yeah.
Oh! The cookies are gone.
And the carrots got eaten too.
Wait, Santa didn't eat these cookies.
Yeah, he left 2 cookies. Maybe he couldn't eat all of them. It looks like he ate 3 cookies.
Oh, did he put something in your stocking?
Yeah.
What?
Let's see. Do you want to open your stocking? What's inside of there?
It's an orange.
It's an orange.
Do you think does Santa do that?
Yeah.
Let's see.
What's
All
that?
right, hold on. I will pull it down.
And let's get one for Isaac too.
Here's, have a seat. Whoa, what's that? What's on those socks? What's on them? Oh, bless you.
Oh, germs.